want to add a new sheet in your Google Sheets document, then I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. All you have to do once you're inside your Google Sheet document is to look towards the lower left hand side. There is a plus. If you hover over it, it's going to say add sheet. And if you click on it, it's going to add a new blank sheet. And normally once you do so, it creates it with a default name sheet and a number to that sheet. So if you have one sheet before, then it's going to create it and call it sheet 2. You can easily rename that and basically call it whatever. So I'm going to call this one, let's call it AAA as an example. And at any point in time, you can rename this to whatever you want. So that's how you create the sheet. You can just easily start giving it some names or whatever it is. So I'm going to give it some few names. I'm going to say Drew, then I'm going to say Joy, then I'm going to call this person Roy, and I'm going to call this one, for example, Bob, right? And just put some numbers there. You get the idea, right? So that's basically that, guys. So if you're looking to how to add a new sheets in your Google Sheet documents, guys, that's how you basically do it. Very easy and very simple.